Hello, today I will be showing you the best way to make money in Grand Theft Auto 5 Online. Notice, the following instructions must be followed step by step. No skipping whatsoever or it won't work, or in worst cases, break your game. So try your best to do every instruction at its fullest. Also, listen up carefully. The instructions are extremely specific, for you will have to edit some files in the GTA folders and type out a certain code that will alter your money gain in the game. Okay, now then, let us begin. First, you will have to go into your Grand Theft Auto folder in Steam. It is easy. Right-click the Game tab in Library, click Properties Local Files tab, and browse Local Files. For console users, I'm not sure how to do it for the console, so try scratching the code onto your Grand Theft Auto CD with a dull, rusty, and decaying object. Go to Folder, Update, then to Folder, X64, then to DLC PACKS, and look for Patch Day 6. When you're there, you should see DLC RPF. This contains the update on money gain on all jobs and heist. It has limited the original money gain by a great amount. Add a notepad to the Patch Day 6 folder, and type the following with your keyboard. IGJ plus H23U98 FHJ98 HMDO9 plus AT74325 plus D87342 789 54 UTC plus 489 3 and 80 plus 7 Press Enter. Finally, type the last few following codes. C239 plus 18 Mount 49 AT37 1 CR0 M plus 1 M095 M90 plus 784 08 M734 MH1 FX2 HKF AT43 G plus S8 plus 9253 K489 plus SFKH 925 48 plus 3. Street 7Y, and save it to the folder. Now next time you load up Grand Theft Auto 5 Online and do a job, heist, etc., you should gain a lot more money now, or just have your game not run anymore. I hope this tutorial has helped you, and console users, I hope you're horribly ruined, demolished, and scratched CD works. Thank you for watching.